What's your name?
Elijah.
Elijah what?
Elijah.
And who's your mommy's name?
Hannah.
Hannah what?
Hannah.
And what's Nathan's name?
Nathan.
Nathan what?
Nathan.
And what are we going to have for dinner?
Biscuit and chicken.
Okay. And what's your favorite food?
Biscuit and chicken.
Yeah? Or what's your most favorite candy?
Candy. Yeah, hard candies.
Are you scared of anything?
No.
The dark.
Nope. Scared of the dark.
Are you scared of monsters?
Little.
Have you ever seen one?
Yes, I saw them on TV. But in an arena. So now I'm not scared of any monsters.
And very long.
Do you ever fight with your brother? What happened?
He breaks my hand, he rips my head off, and I died. Then I had to kick him in the nuts. And I mean it.
Does he do stuff to you?
Yeah, he also, sometimes when I go up to, he kicks me in the nuts.
Do you stuff to him?
A little.
Like what?
Kick him in the nuts, punch him in the face, slap him on the cheek, and then poop on him in his mouth. And then he swallows it, and he goes, ew. Then he,
Do you like Nathan?
yeah,
A lot?
yes,
Why?
because I poop in his mouth, and he swallows it.
That was nasty. I don't think that was very appropriate at all.
Grandma?
Do you like Nathan?
Yeah.
Come here. Tell me how much you like Nathan.
I like him when he gets beat up by girls. And I like when they want to pee, and then they pee on his butt.
No, I don't like that. I want to know if Nathan does nice things for you.
He helps me do the dustbin.
Helps you what?
The cleans up dirt.
He helps you clean up dirt?
Yes. But no, doesn't do stuff. Doesn't do that stuff.
Does he help you pick up toys?
Yeah.
Yeah?
In our room.
Really,
Yeah.
I'm the one that picks up the toys.
And
You
yeah.
can't wiggle. You have to hold still, okay?
Yeah, so
Do you go to school?
nope.
Did you used to?
Yep. I went to my daycare.
Did you like it?
No, they had lots of babies that don't want to play with me. Ugh.
What happened?
They beat me up. I've been playing with my friends. They followed me. And they tried to, and they were catching me. And they kept jumping like I was.
Okay.
So,
Did you have a teacher?
yep, I had a lot of teachers.
Look at me, please.
I had too many teachers. So if you don't know where my daycare is,
Where's your mommy at right now?
she's still not the room.
Excuse me, look at me. Answer the question. Where's mommy at right now?
In your room sleeping still?
Okay. Does mommy sleep a lot?
Yes. When she's tired, she sleeps a lot, but never gets up. Oh,
Is there anything else you want to say?
yeah, it's, you look good in that picture. That's what I wanted to say.
You wanted to say what?
I wanted to say you look ugly in that picture.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Why do you like it? Why do you like
Then
it?
say goodbye. Say goodbye to everybody.
Ugly.
Say goodbye to everybody.